In today's video, I'm going to teach you register your domain name. By the end, you'll also know how to buy hosting, connect your domain to your hosting account, and install WordPress on Bluehost so your blog can go live smoothly. Before we get started, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and questions. First, let's secure your domain name. This is your blog's web address, so aim for something short, memorable, and easy to spell. Avoid lots of hyphens or numbers, and try to match your brand or niche. Head to a reputable registrar or your hosting provider's domain search, type in your idea, and check availability. If your first choice isn't available, try a slight variation or a different extension like .com, .net, or relevant country or niche extension. When you find one you love, add it to your cart, enter accurate contact details, and enable privacy protection if it's offered to keep your personal info off public records. Complete the purchase, and your domain is registered. Next, you'll buy hosting for your blog. Hosting is the server space that stores your site's files and makes your blog accessible on the internet. Choose a plan that includes an SSL certificate for HTTPS security and one-click WordPress installation to simplify setup. Bluehost is a solid beginner-friendly option. Create your account, pick a plan that fits your needs, review any add-ons, and finish checkout. If you bought your domain at the same place, the setup can be even easier. Now, connect your domain name to your hosting account. If your domain and hosting are with the same provider, this is usually handled automatically. If they're with different providers, log into your domain registrar, find the DNS or name server settings, and replace the current name servers with the ones your hosting company provides. Save the changes and give it a little time. DNS updates can take anywhere from a few minutes to a day or two to fully propagate. You'll know it's working when your domain starts pointing to your hosting. Finally, install WordPress on Bluehost. Log into your Bluehost dashboard, open the website or My Sites section, and choose the WordPress install tool. Select your domain from the drop-down, enter your site name, and create a secure login. Keep your credentials safe. Confirm the settings, make sure the free SSL is enabled, and start the installation. When it finishes, you can access your WordPress dashboard by visiting yourdomain.com/wpadmin and signing in. From there, you're ready to personalize your theme, add essential pages, and start publishing your first posts. If this tutorial helped you, give the video a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need it. Don't forget to subscribe for more productivity tips and Notion tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.